Action. Hi.
Hi. Hi, you can tell me if it is have had plates,
2 plates.
baso,
Green baso.
pink baso,
Pink baso.
1 plates,
1 plates.
2 plates,
2 plates.
and bread,
And bread.
and spoon,
And spoon.
and pot,
And fork.
and plate,
And plate.
and baso, and violet baso.
And violet baso.
So let's go started.
So let's get started daw. Cook ka na. Ano lulutuin mo? What's that? What's that?
Hipon.
Hipon. Shake daw niya.
Open this
Shake
up.
mo muna. Ba't ikaw nag-shake? Okay.
Okay.
And open. Okay. And stir and mix. Time to eat na? Time to eat na daw yung babies niya. Tchadan! Kita pa si Tita Kit.
Kita Kid.